looking a little rough. David, my cousin, just left. His flight was at 5 a.m. yesterday, so I'm officially by myself doing Puerto Rico solo. So I'm gonna go check and see if I can still do my Bacardi tour because I paid. Check to see if I can go back to San Juan to explore that, and then maybe even go surfing. We'll see. So I'm out of this hotel room at, what is it? At 10 or 11. So I'm gonna go over to check into the hostel I'm staying in. It's just a chance I just want to try and give it a try. It's actually right next to La Placita, and that's like a bar place where you just go and turn up and get lit. So we're gonna do this and have so much fun. I'm not gonna lie, I got a little emotional, and so my mom called me. Love my mom and my grandma, and now I'm ready to do this. My biggest thing that I was so scared about was I have no Wi-Fi, and I'm like, how am I gonna get around? Like, I can't use my phone. So I literally had to go old school, grab my like map out and like find the streets to literally get around Puerto Rico. So if you have had this experience, or if you know like how to make sure that like this never happens to you, like just comment down below. That would be so awesome. If I can do this for my birthday, I will be so happy. I want to go surfing, so we'll see if we can do that. I'll be super ecstatic. So look forward to see what I'll be doing, and I promise you I'll give you all the details, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So all right guys, see you later. Got this face wash. Aunt made this, super awesome. I think it's like castor oil, not castor oil, but the Castillo soap and some other essential oils. And she made this spray for me, so we're just gonna do my face routine here in Puerto Rico. Anything else? Some shea butter. This stuff melted, so if you want to bring shea butter, make sure it's like the solid one. For the breakouts. Not sponsored. I literally like keep everything in my the earrings. This is the outfit of the day, guys. A little slit, some sandals here going on. So the plan for today, I'm going to go check into my other Airbnb. It's just not an Airbnb, it's a hostel. It's pretty dope. I have some recordings that you guys can check out and see if you like it. I won't be there for too long, but I did stay there one night, so I can give you my review of that. After that, hopefully I'll get to do a free walking tour of San Juan. Hopefully that works out well. After that, see about going to the Bacardi tour if my tickets are still valid, because I did pay for that. And then go surfing, or just like find some place to like do a little dancing. My voice is gone because if you are from, if you know how to party, like just period, if you know how to party, yeah, your voice is going to be gone. I will say last night, music, great music. The people, Some of them were good, but I don't know if they all know how to get down with the get down. Cause listen, my family taught me how to party out the womb. So people out here a little different, but that's okay. Cause when you find a good crowd, like then it's a good vibe. It's a good vibe. So, all right. See you guys later. Okay, so we are leaving the hotel room, hotel apartment. I'm gonna head over to the hospital. It's like a little quick walk, so I'll take you guys with me. Huh? I got breakfast, so that's nice. I'm gonna put my stuff in my car. And sorry if it's hard to hear me. I'm gonna put my stuff in my car, and we will go on our walk. It is hot, very hot. Right. So we are actually doing a tour of the Old St. Juan area. So we walked down by the beach area, and we're gonna go see if the bars are open with some people that I met from the hostel. So, look, it's a little chicken.
They're everywhere.
Hey, little chicken. Here? This place? Alright. Oh, look. I wonder if, like, we can actually get into the ocean.
You trying to drop in right now?
Yeah, I got my swimming suit on.
Oh, nice. I have mine in my bag.
You want to sit outside? Really touring the fort. It's quite old here, but really, really nice. So, sorry if my voice is really hard to hear. So we just finished going to the beach for the first time. Sorry if my voice is a little rough. It was really nice, just very rocky. So if I were to go, I would definitely wear shoes. We met some really, really cool people. They gave us some free waters. And now we're headed back to our hostel. They told us a couple of other cool places to go swimming. I think it's GRWM, a little bit. So very, very, very cool. So you should come and check out this beach. But there's also like tons of other beaches. But that's just kind of my review on this one. Definitely bring a towel and some shoes. Definitely need those. Before we even got here, we did the tour of Old San Juan, which was just a beautiful, beautiful experience of the architecture that's been able to be here for a while. So, if you like that type of stuff, I'll be posting videos so you can go see that. And hopefully, we'll see some other great things that you'll be interested in. If you have any questions, just let me know and hopefully I can answer them for you.